Yes, 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 yes! Woo! My camera came in today! Let's open it. And it's paper! My order of paper finally came in. All right. Let's get rid of all this other stuff. I don't need that. Just kidding. We're on to the most crucial step now. Extracting the second box. Here we go. All right. The next box. Yes, the good stuff. Bubble wrap! Okay, so everything's all nice and neatly packaged. I got the Canon EOS M100. Very excited to open this and turn it on and start using it. Here we go. Got a huge manual, what the heck? Throw that away. Okay, don't care. This looks to be the body itself. Out. Yes. Oh my god. Feels so nice to hold. And one of the coolest things about this camera is the viewfinder flips up. Or not the viewfinder, the LCD display flips up. So when you're vlogging or just recording, you can see how the frame looks. And I think that's super awesome. All right, let's close that up and set it aside. Charger, boring. Strap, cool. Got a battery, wow, need that. Here we go. The second most important piece, the lens. There she is. This little girl right here. And as fate would have it, I don't really know how to set this up, so gotta grab the manual and figure this out. Okay, here we go. Step one, put the battery in. Nice. Like, it literally just shows the thing flipping right up. Like, it says card here, but there's nothing to grab onto. Okay. Oh my gosh, you have to flip the LCD up. That was not in the instructions. Okay, so I think it's good to turn on now. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. And it died. While the battery's charging, I might as well show you what else came with this package. Tripod and SD card holder, little tripod handheld holder thing. Filters, don't really know how to use these honestly. We'll figure that out. Lens cleaning pin. Of course, what you've all been wondering if it included a secure digital high capacity micro secure digital. Good stuff. Cleaning cloth, like wrist strap thing. And then a dust cleaner blower, a camera neck strap, and a handy dandy bag so I can put all this stuff in. Here we go. Okay, so here's the camera. We're gonna switch over to the new one now. Ready and transfer. All right, let's transfer again. That's fun. Back to GoPro, transfer. Back to camera and transfer! I don't really know what happened there. That was not meant to be seen. Let's just move on. So anyways, this camera's super nice. Here's my trash. Let's make my trash look really good. Yeah, check that out. Okay, the autofocus is actually pretty fast on this thing. Wow, that's some delicious trash. Well, I'm gonna end the video here. As you can tell, I'm wearing a different shirt because I filmed everything on Wednesday when I first got the camera, and it's currently Sunday now because I have had almost no time to edit because I've just been very busy these past few days. I just wanted it to be a quick little video showing my new camera, and I also got a microphone too. This little guy is a purple Panda lavalier microphone. It comes with all this other little stuff. Just some adapters, an extension cord, and my favorite little extra extension is this fuzzy thing. Put this on the microphone if you're out on a windy day and it'll help buffer the wind out of your sound. Anyways guys, I'm really excited about the quality that this new equipment is going to bring to my channel. The links for my equipment are down below if you want to check them out. I'm very excited about the content I'm going to be bringing to you guys. I've got a lot of great ideas coming up. It's just taking me a while to edit. But I'm going to be doing my best to bring a video out to you guys once a week at least. Alright, I'm going to end it here because I've taken like a billion takes already, and I'm so bad at talking to the camera. Like, it's really hard. Honestly, it's hard to figure out what I want to say all the time, and then I end up rambling like I am right now. Okay. Bye!